Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. Central Bank of Brazil director foresees Bitcoin as a financial innovation talks program about digital realm. Fabio Araujo, director of the Central Bank of Brazil, has praised the properties of Bitcoin, saying it is a financial innovation using new technologies. To Araujo, Bitcoin was the catalyst for what is today known as Web3 at an effort. Roger also commented about the status of the development of the digital realm strategy that his organization hopes to add smart functions to the current currency. Central Bank of Brazil foresees Bitcoin as pioneer of Web3 tech. More and more central banks around the world are dealing with the issue of cryptocurrencies and how to innovate to keep up with these technologies. Fabio Araujo, director of the Central Bank of Brazil, praised Bitcoin as a financial innovation that gives rise to the Web3 movement and talked about how the digital realm, the central bank digital currency that is still in the results, make help programmable further. In an effort promoted by the Sao Paulo business school radio study, we started to accurate this in 209 with the launch of Bitcoin. With this tribute, the database technology that facilitates the creation of Web3, the Bitcoin application brings the proof of work solution, which is a fundamental thing for the certificates that Web3 brings to the population. Furthermore, Roger remarked that this takes precedent as well, which includes smart contracts that add more functionalities to the financial system. A programmable digital realm. Roger also touched on the subject of the digital realm, hinting at the possibility of it having smart capabilities in a set of series presented at the April. The central bank digital currency is shown as being linked to Web3 elements such as digital assets, token, Internet of Things, protocols, and offline payment. The director of the central bank also made it clear distinction between the digital realm and other crypto assets such as Bitcoin. A radio study, even though CBDC uses the technology that support crypto. Maybe just this brother. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you.